Well, hello and good afternoon. This is Garage Door Mike. Haven't seen y'all in a while. This is a classic looking door. I've never put one in yet from Hormann, so today's the day. It is the Tucana 5250 series recess panel. And this one's called Sorrento with 4-pane top glass. And it somewhat reminds me a little bit of the old Taylor doors, but Taylor was raised panel. This is recess panel. Real nice look here on this house. I like it a lot. Tucana, I'll get you the full view here of the house, or some of it anyways. I think it looks awesome. What if I went sideways, if that would help? I don't know. Anyway, Tucana 6-panel, 5250, recessed, 4-pane window, looks awesome. And I'll bring you up close here and show you the detail of the overlayments, which I love. These are nicer recess panel than the competitors such as CHI and Haas. Haas has a very subtle recess panel. You could barely even see it. CHI's is more defined like this Hormann, but Hormann's, in my opinion, got the nicer bevel there on that overlayment for their recess panel. I just like it. It's real nice. Door is 2 inches thick. Okay. Insulated glass, pinch resistant. Right there you can see the part of the lip seal or the end cap where it's going to block out any wind, air, rain or snow. The wide seal will go here to cover that up, the trim. Like I said, this is 2 inches thick. I'm going to open up here. Okay. We did put nylon wheels on. Of course, we did the 11 gauge hardware. Obviously, we always do. The top, we are also putting the zinc plated 13 ball sealed nylon wheel for the heaviness of the insulated window. And you can see the little black part right there. That's the insulated glass. And on this particular design, the garage does call, it does have enough headroom to call for 20-inch radius, so we put 20-inch radius in there. So it rolls really super smooth. Got 23,000 plus cycle springs. And there's the other side. Okay. We have not hooked up the opener yet, but we're going to be getting to that in a minute. It is complemented with a LiftMaster 8355 2.0 technology MyQ. So it'll be nice and smooth and quiet. We still have to put on the handle, step plate, and elbow. Another competitor decided to use this as the elbow. That's a big no-no. You don't do that no more with those springs. That's just complete hack work. So that's coming off. We're going to pull down a piece of angle with a 1/2 inch lock nut and bolt. That'll go right there in the middle. Like I said, torsion springs. 23,000 plus, galvanized cables, nice drums, all 11 gauge hardware, beefy here on the ends so you can have no issues with the hinges cracking. Pinch resistant so you will not get your fingers pinched, and it just rolls like super smooth. I mean, that 20-inch rolls beautiful. So we're going to put it down for the closing of the video, and oh yeah, 3.5 inch bottom rubber. We will clean all the paw prints off and seal it up. It'll be beautiful. That's it. The Sorrento from Tucana Hormann 5250 series with 4-pane top windows. Product garage door needs, innovative door, 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, and Google will like you. We'll like you anyways. If you are new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, punch a like, drop a comment, drop a like, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. We got lots of answers for all your garage door needs and questions. So thank you for watching our video, Sorrento recess panel from Hormann Tucana series 5250. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.